reaching levels last seen in January. It seems that tech shares continue to dominate the markets, with the AI frenzy still leading market sentiment. In this report, we aim to present the recent fundamental and economic news releases that impacted the US stock markets. Look ahead at the upcoming events that could affect their performance. Google today has been charged by the EU Competition Commission for allegedly abusing its advertising dominance. The EU Competition Commission's claims that Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has favored its own advertising programs over the rivals. He allegedly has provided Google with the ability to charge high fees for their services, which has provided Google with a dominant position by favoring its own ADX ad exchange. According to the Commission, Google has allegedly abused this position by favoring its own ad exchange ADX in the ad selection auction run by its dominant publisher and server DFP Buy, for example, informing ADX in advance of the value of the best bid form competitors which it had to beat to win the auction. In the event the conducts by Google are found to be true, then they could infringe on Article 102 of the Treaty on the Function of the European Union, TFU, that prohibits the abuse of a dominant market position. In conclusion, should Google be found in violation of Article 102, it may lead to a divestment of Google services in order to address competition concerns, potentially weakening the stock's price as it may lose a lucrative ad division in Europe. Intel has been linked as a potential anchor investor in ARM before the widely anticipated IPO this year. Should Intel be formally revealed as an anchor investor, it may signal a shift from Intel's decade-long policy of only developing its own in-house microchips, by allowing ARM access to its factories. In theory, by opening up their doors, Intel could potentially be in a better position to compete with chip behemoth TSMC and as such could provide long-term support for the stock in the future in terms of increased revenue through their higher sales, by expanding Intel's capabilities and reach in the global chip markets. Last Thursday, General Motors joined Ford in announcing that they will be using Tesla's EV charging network for their electric vehicles. According to CNBC, the deal will provide access to 12,000 fast chargers for GM vehicles, thus greatly bolstering Tesla's lead as the EV industry's leader. The deal, according to CNBC, would also benefit GM by saving up to $400 million that would have been incurred should they have continued their investment to build their own EV charging ports. Overall, this appears to have aided Tesla's rise as demand for their services continues to increase, with more automotive manufacturers adapting to their technology, may have solidified Tesla as the dominant market leader for the EV market. Thank you for watching.